Oh yeah, let's go. Hey, let's go and fucking play judo baseball. What the fuck? We're the fucking counties. Yeah, I want you to play a fucking war. Yeah, I want. Oh, someone touched my hand. Is it snowstorm? Look at that. Come on.
Should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, or
Instead of doing baseball.
anything else that would help you survive if you become stranded. During lake, snow, the weather is very locally heavy. Drive with adjusted can also vary. Be prepared for rough road conditions.
I'm a fucking double-header. Come on.
A winter weather.
Okay, so, I found out why we won't go off. And I was on WWG56. Because I changed it to WWG56. In the fucking running scale. I know the thing is wrong. And why didn't you, go off? Dude, you're fucking slow. Oh, it's fucking